Hey guys, how's it going? On today's video, we're going to do a little update on all the projects and the shop. And there's just a lot going on, so a little update on why I haven't posted, what's coming soon, videos to expect, and stuff like that. So let's start off with, I finally got a lift. It's a 4-post, and it's just used for storage, because that thing hasn't moved since I put it on it. So, cleared up some space here. It's an absolute mess in here, just working room, trying to get through parts and whatnot, but we have a ton of E30iX touring content coming soon. This is my client, Ben's car, owner of Simi Valley Linex, so if you need bed liner, hit him up. We have a ton of stuff for this car. The ITBs that originally was supposed to go on that car, we put on here. So we'll have a full video on that. That's ready to go. We also got some new suspension going for this. We got some KWV3s for his IX, so that is coming as well. And then I believe there is one other video that I can't remember off the top of my head that will be coming out for this car as well, so stay tuned for that. Got a new motor for this car. I was able to get a absolute steal of a deal on a brand new 2.9 liter stroker M20. So I picked it up, sold the head, and went ahead and started to refresh it. I gotta send my head out to get decked again because I used a cut ring head gasket, so that left grooves in the head. So even though Tier 1 Euro freshly rebuilt this head, and it maybe has 20 minutes, if that, of runtime on it, unfortunately, it has to be torn down again, decked, and then put back together. And then this motor is done, and I won't be swapping motors again, hopefully. So that is that. So that's what we're waiting on. If you are a European, not US, I need a European transmission expert. I have a few questions. So if anyone out there, I'm going to put it on the screen in text so you can read it. I need a European transmission expert. Hit me up on Instagram, the Mass Driver. It'd be great. I have a few questions. But that is the update for this car. I haven't touched it. It's buried under parts. You can see the touring headliner on there. We'll have a full video on that. I've been focusing on the touring a little bit too much and letting this kind of go. So all the products and stuff that were meant to go with this car and videos have been delayed. I apologize. That's on me. A little bit loss of motivation, of course, plus a ton of other stuff going on that I just haven't really had time to work on my own stuff, unfortunately. So 2.9 stroker, awesome. Need to send the head out, which hopefully I'll send some other heads out this week, which is, what's today's date? Today's April 9th, so this video will probably come out maybe Friday or next Monday. But need to make sure I'm happy with the head work that these people do, and then this head will get sent out to be built. My old 2.9 stroker, or excuse me, my old 2.7 Super ETA bottom end sold. So that's getting picked up here soon. We have an S50 for another client car, so hopefully we can get that going here soon. I'm just waiting on finalization, basically, of that project. So that would be cool. That's going in a 316 Euro slick top, which you might have seen in the background of some other videos. Ben also stole my Style 42s, so I am looking for another set of Style 42s, 17x8 square. I'm looking for a set of 6 because we do need a spare for this car. So if you have a set of 6 of those, amazing. I'd also be interested in the same spec, 17x8, plus 25 or plus 20 offset of Style 66s. That'd be a 5 for my car. I've always liked those wheels, so we'll see how that goes. What else? Update. Oh, The race season has just started. I am back with RWE Motorsports this year. We are not running a Porsche Sprint Challenge. We have switched to McLaren Artura Trophy Evos. So I'll be doing kind of like a vlog style of those events. Sonoma was 2 weekends ago, so that video will be out here shortly. COTA is our next race, which is in 2 weeks. So that video will be kind of quite a ways. The Sonoma video needs to come out first. So those will start playing out. I've had a ton of questions on the fuse box relocation for your E30. I'm trying to get that out to you guys. It has not been on the top of my priority list for getting new products out. And I just have to finalize the brackets done. I switched to a different connector, so that's done. So I'm just finalizing costs and making sure I have everything ready to go for you guys so that it's as seamless as possible. So that is for this car. As far as anything else coming for this car, I really need to spend some time on it. I need to finish the motor, and I got to finish the trans, and then I can focus a lot on this car. I think that's what's been putting me off. That's a thing with the trans that I really want to do. Haven't been able to do it. So that's been putting me behind on wanting to work on this car. And the motor is just a bad excuse because I really could just send the head out and that's good to go. So it's an absolute mess in here. I've got a ton of parts. Obviously front bumper, front valence for late model available, ready to go. Some parts from the Touring. This dash is super clean. It does have one crack in it available. But I have a ton of parts. If you guys are interested in anything, rageitparts.com. 95 M3 shell, clean title. I think the registration just lapsed on it. But I'm ready to let this thing go. As much as I want to build it into a track car, I don't have the time for it. And it's not an exciting project for me at the moment. This E30 and my Touring are the two big projects this year, which I say every year to get done. So we'll see how that goes. So if anyone's interested in that, Rage It Parts or the Mass Driver, hit me up. And then we just have a ton of other stuff going on. There's too much going on. Obviously, you guys saw the last video right here, Dapper Lighting. If you guys need a set of headlights, we build them so they're nice and complete. And all you have to do is plug them in. So that's a set of the Mass Driver Edition clear glass with the headlight intake going out, and another set I need to build. But ton of stuff going on. I don't know what else to say. There's a ton of videos. I have about, I think, 15 videos unedited that need to be edited and then released. So bear with me. I'm doing the best I can to get videos out. I know I've been very much slacking on that aspect. You see Ben also got a set of Dapper Lighting headlights. We also have skid plates. HickFab skid plates are now available, rageitparts.com. You got an IX skid plate on Ben's car. I have a normal M20 skid plate on the IS. And then I have another IX skid plate, which you can see right there, ready for my Touring. So as soon as this car goes out, gets it welded, and then I'm going to send my Touring out, get that welded for the new motor so that everything can be kind of encapsulated there and we can make sure everything works and fits. IX flares, if anyone's interested, got that. S54 oil pan with oil pump and pickup. Great for S52 swaps. If you're having this oil starvation issue, it's a great upgrade. That's available. But the fuel system for this car is, let's call it 75% complete. It's just the small knickknack, like running the lines and stuff, making new hard lines. That's pretty much it for the fuel system, and then that will be released. But other than that, there's a few other products that go along with the fuel system, so that's kind of all encapsulated in that. Ton of E46 M3 parts. So if you're interested in anything, rageitparts.com. If you have a Z3M for sale, looking for a parts car, that would be amazing. I've been looking for one, haven't been able to find one. I need a rear end. Or if you have a rear end for sale that's cheap, I'll just buy that. But I need a rear end or two for project. What else? I think that is pretty much it with this video. It's going to be a quick, short one, quick update. The touring's outside, so you can't see that. But that is going to be about it. So stay tuned. This video will come up, and then I'll probably have the Sonoma RWE Motorsports video up next, and then we'll get going on Ben's car. And then I also have another 87 325 IS Alpine White that I was quote-unquote restoring, or at least just putting back together. So I have a ton of videos on that. I have to finish up that car as well. So Ben's car, Jordan's car hopefully, or my other white IS, and then Jordan's car. But we have a ton of content stacked. I just need to spend time, or honestly, if you're a video editor, shoot me a message on Instagram, and maybe I will hire someone to edit the videos so that we can have a more consistent upload. But yeah, this thing is getting retuned on Friday. As you can see, it's running super rich. So I think Ben will be excited to finally have his car back and driving smoothly. And cold start is pretty good. Starts right up. Driving, there's some issues that we have to figure out. So that is pretty much it. There's some Easter eggs in this video that will leave in, but for the most part, not a ton of news on stuff that I can talk about. But that's pretty much it. As you can see, the harness for the touring's already out. Hint. And the rest of the interior is out, so that's another hint. So, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to put them in the comments, and I'll answer them. If you guys need any parts, please reach out. Got an S54 for sale. RageOfParts.com, RageOfParts on Instagram, and we'll get you taken care of. So, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.